Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information.
Why Ogbe is the one who awakens Òrúnmìlà.
Rezo. Ògbè Dì kaka, Ògbè Dì lele, adifayoke baravani regun, adifafun ochun, adifafun gun, obinrin Ògbè Sà, Yèyé Màtẹ afefelo salu obolode, awaloda loikin.
Ògbè Dì, the one who stands firm. Ògbè Dì, the one lifted to great heights. He cast the sacred divination that lifted Bar Aban Rajaln in joy. He divined for Ochun, the river goddess of sweetness. He divined for Ogun, the mighty pathmaker of iron. He served Yèyé Màtẹ, the wise woman of Ogbe Sà. The sacred wind rushed to the gates of Obolode. The creator moved forward, carrying the sacred Ikin.
Pataki, sacred story. In the primordial times, Òrúnmìlà had a secretary who woke him each morning. His name was Ogbe Sà, and his mission was to receive the obi of the oracle. But his knowledge grew so vast that he no longer called Òrúnmìlà aloud. Instead, he would touch him to wake him. One day, Yèyé Màtẹ, the thinking mother, who was Òrúnmìlà's wife, saw how Ogbe Sà touched him instead of calling him. She also noticed that Òrúnmìlà would wake up feeling unwell. She thought to herself, I must find another secretary. Ogbe Sà is no longer suited for this job. One day, Ochun and Gun came to visit to consult Ifa, and Yèyé Màtẹ, who was a close friend of Ochun, told her, My sister, Ogbe Sà, is no longer capable of waking Òrúnmìlà. She explained the situation to Ochun. Ochun replied, In my land, Orisha, there is a very wise and serious awa named Ògbè Dì. I will send him to you. Perhaps he will be suitable. When Ochun returned to Orisha, she called Ògbè Dì and said, For you to become great, I will send you to the land of Ife. There, your mission will be to call Òrúnmìlà every day at 6 in the morning to awaken him. She taught him the sacred oriki, chant, to awaken Òrúnmìlà, and then added, When you arrive, I will already be at the door with Gun, so that your words will be confirmed as true. The next morning at 6 a.m., Ògbè Dì arrived at Òrúnmìlà's house. Yèyé Màtẹ received him and asked, Are you the one Ochun sent to awaken Òrúnmìlà? He replied, Yes. Observing him closely, Yèyé Màtẹ said, Then wake him. Ògbè Dì knelt before Òrúnmìlà and without touching him, recited the sacred oriki that Ochun had taught him. Òrúnmìlà woke peacefully, and at that very moment, Ochun and Gun knocked on the door. Òrúnmìlà answered, Iboru, Oboya, Obosheshe. Traditional Ifa greeting of affirmation and reverence. Then he asked, Who is this young man who knows so much? Yèyé Màtẹ responded, He is Awo Ògbè Dì, from the land of Ahesa. From today onward, he will replace Ògbè Sà in the task of awakening you, and he shall be the guardian of wisdom. From that moment on, Ògbè Dì became wise and renowned, and he became the one in charge of awakening Òrúnmìlà each morning with his sacred chant. In gratitude for the wisdom he had received and the favor granted by Ochun, Awo Ògbè Dì gave an akuko, rooster, to Gun, and to Ochun he offered a die meji, apari, 2 white hens, in the river. And so his power and greatness were confirmed, not only in the land of Ajisa, but throughout all the Yoruba lands.